2 minus omega into 2 minus omega square, 2 minus omega power 10, 2 minus omega power 11 is equal to 49. We have omega cube is equal to 1. 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. Consider 2 minus omega into 2 minus omega square. This is equal to 2 2s are 4 minus 2 omega square minus 2 omega plus omega into omega square, omega cube. So this is equal to 4 minus 2 into omega square plus omega cube value is 1. Omega square plus omega will be what? Minus 1 plus 1. So 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is equal to 7. So we got the value of 2 minus omega into 2 minus omega square as 7. Now let us find the value of 2 minus omega power 10 to 2 minus omega power 11. 2 minus omega power 10 can be written as omega cube into omega to 2 minus omega cube in whole cube into omega square. This is what you get. 3 3s are 9. So 2 minus omega into 2 minus omega square, that is equal to 7. This is what you get. Therefore 2 minus omega into 2 minus omega square, 2 minus omega power 10 into 2 minus omega power 11, which is equal to 7 into 7, which is equal to 49. So 7 into 7 is 49. Right. That is about this problem. We shall discuss the next problem. Here in the next problem you have to prove that minus omega and minus omega square are the roots of z square minus z plus 1 is equal to 0, where omega and omega square are the complex cube roots of unity. Consider z square minus z plus 1 is equal to 0. First substitute minus omega whole square minus of minus omega plus 1. Consider this is equal to omega square plus omega plus 1, that is equal to 0. Since 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. Next, put z is equal to minus omega square in z square minus z plus 1. So here you have minus omega square whole square minus of minus omega square plus 1. This is omega power 4 plus omega square plus 1. This is nothing but omega cube into omega plus omega square plus 1. This is equal to omega plus omega square plus 1, which is equal to 0. Therefore minus omega and minus omega square are the roots of z square minus z plus 1 is equal to 0. That is about this problem. Here we have 1 minus omega into 1 minus omega square, 1 minus omega power 4 to 1 minus omega power 8. This is what you have. Now 1 minus omega into 1 minus omega square is equal to 1 minus omega 1 into 1 1 into omega minus omega square is minus omega square minus omega plus omega cube. This is equal to 1 minus of omega square plus omega cube, which is 1 into minus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 3. So 1 minus omega into 1 minus omega square value is 3. Next you have 1 minus omega power 4 into 1 minus omega power 8, that is equal to 1 minus omega cube into omega, 1 minus omega power 6 into omega square. This is nothing but 1 minus omega into 1 minus omega square, that is equal to 3. Let us call this as 1. From 1, therefore 1 minus omega into 1 minus omega square, 1 minus omega power 4 to 1 minus omega power 8 is equal to 3 into 3, which is equal to 9. So the value of this will be 9. Let us do the next problem, small problem. Fourth one, 1 minus omega plus omega square whole cube. This is nothing but 1 plus omega square is minus omega, so you have minus omega whole cube. This is minus 2 omega whole cube. This is minus 2 cube into omega cube. Minus 2 cube is minus 8 into 1, which is equal to minus 8. That's about this problem. In the next problem we have a plus b omega plus c omega square by c plus a omega plus b omega square. Here a plus b omega plus c omega square by b plus c omega plus a omega square. The first term we are multiplying and dividing with omega square. The second term we are multiplying and dividing with omega. So if you take omega square inside, you have a omega square plus b omega cube plus c omega power 4 by c omega square plus a omega cube plus b omega power 4, a omega plus b omega square plus c omega cube by b omega plus c omega square plus a omega cube. Now a omega square as it is, omega cube can be written as 1, that is b, plus omega power 4 is omega cube into omega, that is omega, plus a omega plus b omega square, c omega cube is 1. So you get c by c omega square plus a plus b omega plus c omega square plus a. These two are same, so write it as a plus b omega plus c omega square. Here you have a omega, LCM is this, a omega square plus b plus c omega plus a omega square plus b omega square plus c. Now a into omega square plus omega, b into 1 plus omega square, c into 1 plus omega by a plus b omega plus c omega square. Omega square plus omega is minus 1, 1 plus omega square is minus omega, 1 plus omega will be minus omega square. So take minus sign common throughout. You have a plus b omega plus c omega square by a plus b omega plus c omega square. These two get cancelled. These two get cancelled and it is equal to minus 1. The value is equal to minus 1. That's about this problem. Our next problem, 1 plus omega cube plus 1 plus omega square whole cube. 1 plus omega is minus omega square whole cube plus 1 plus omega square is minus omega whole cube. Here you have minus omega power 6 minus omega cube Omega power 6 can be written as omega cube whole square minus omega cube. Omega cube is 1. Here also omega cube is 1. Minus 1 is minus 2. Take this problem for homework. The answer for this must be 32. Take it as homework. That's all about today's session, children. We shall continue in the next class.